Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.